What's up, guys, and welcome back to another PT Talks with Isaiah Schwindt, physical therapist. Today I want to talk to you guys a bit about BCAAs, or branched chain amino acids. I want to be discussing what they are, what they can do for you, and whether or not you should be taking them. Let's get started. BCAAs, or branched chain amino acids, is a popular supplement for people who are trying to work out to recover faster and build more muscle. What they're really made up of are actually 3 essential amino acids, meaning these amino acids can't generally be created by the body based on the nutrition that we're getting from other foods alone. These are leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These are the 3 primary BCAAs that you'll be getting out of any type of BCAA supplement you'll be picking up. So what are branched chain amino acids really used for? Well, first and foremost, they're used for muscle growth. Being an essential amino acid means that our body cannot create them independently, so we have to find them through outside food sources. And having a supplement that gives us the ones that we can't create aids in muscle growth production. Actually, one study showed that up to 22% when compared to a placebo effect when working out for 6 weeks. The second biggest benefit for some people is preventing muscle wasting. Now, this means that when you're working out, your muscles have to generally find energy coming from somewhere. And for those of you who are dieting or trying to lose weight, sometimes that energy isn't immediately available, meaning that your body will actually begin to break down its own muscle to use it as energy. So BCAAs comes in and provides that instant energy for your body to use instead of breaking down its own muscle, while also allowing the building blocks to make more muscle in the process. Another huge benefit of BCAAs is that it prevents muscle soreness. The way it does this is muscle soreness is created through a substance that your body puts out when it's working hard called creatine kinase. This is kind of looked at as metabolic gunk that builds up in the muscles when working out too hard. What this does is when BCAAs get introduced to the body, it helps flush out and repair those muscles sooner, not allowing all of this buildup to happen and creating this delayed onset muscle soreness, also known as DOMS. The final benefit is one you might not be thinking of right away, and that's because BCAAs actually help prevent and restore cirrhosis and liver disease. This is because the body's natural ability to repair the liver after it's being damaged. Not all organs can do this, but the liver is one that can. The reason is because these essential amino acids are available and are, again, the building blocks of all repair in muscle tissue and tissue damage in general, and the liver being one of those that can repair itself. So people who have cirrhosis or chronic liver disease, things like that, can actually benefit from taking a BCAA supplement outside of their natural diet. So now the question is, do I need to be taking BCAAs to improve my body? The answer is, if you think so, and if you see that you want to benefit from some of the benefits that we've listed previously in this video, then by all means go for it. Try it out. But by and large, you're going to be getting these amino acids if you're eating a well-balanced diet, or even if you're taking another protein powder, because they're found in there as well. So I leave that up to you guys, but I hope this video helped you guys understand a little bit more as to what BCAAs are. They will know more at the nutrition shops if you ask them what brand you want or what kind you want. I went with All-Star Nutrition's Anabolic Warfare one. I found this one was the best bargain for the pricing. So if you need that, again, I'll be leaving a link down in the description below. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll be putting out videos like this to give an honest review of nutrition supplements, workouts, fad diets, anything like that. So if you want to hear something or have questions about something, please let me know. If not, have a good rest of your day.